Damn.
But yeah,
well, here it is.
It's really fun to drive. It's really great. Like, it's so great. I love it.
Was it raining at your house?
Yeah, it was raining when I left.
So it was nice that you came down. You got to.
No, it was great. I might hang around down here.
You look sick.
Yeah, I'm all about it.
How many miles you put on it already?
It's got 210 on it. It'd have more if it wasn't dirty and raining every single day since I bought the car. Well, what do you think? Is RPM ready to be the first shop of the ZR1?
Oh, we're ready.
We can do it, man.
You know what we need to do first, though?
What?
We should have some ZR1 race.
He don't want to do that.
I can't have my new car get the sauce in the back.
Yeah, not ready. Not yet.
But the Orange package
okay.
gives you some exclusive stuff like the orange brake calipers, the orange accents, and the orange inside. So you can't spec that on any else. So I'm just happy to be back to the stick car, man. Like, I missed it, so I don't know what I was thinking.
Yeah. Dude, but I mean, it depends. Like, it all depends. This thing with an auto, these things are going to be a bad
really
bitch,
fast,
dude.
yeah.
So they kept a lot of the other ZR1s, like the carbon hood, carbon roof.
Eric's trying to figure out how he's going to take the car.
Yeah, I'm just curious.
As soon as it was sunny and nice, I was hitting, like, I don't know where exactly I was. I was near Westchester, and I was like, I'm doing some full.
So we gotta quickly wash this thing before we can put it on the dyno. It was filthy.
I brought it here to put on the dyno. I'll show you where that's the way that car keeps me so much speed after 150 is crazy.
Man, that car is sick.
Comments. Can't tell I'm a big fan of RPM. I have a lot of cars here. I'm just storing it up.
So what do you think of this thing, Eric?
Sick.
Yeah?
So sick. Yeah.
Hey, there's this other one. We'll get dyno too. Good, you're gonna go up. Go slow, go slow, go slow.
Yeah, it'll clear. Good. Close, but it clear.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah.
That Phyllis said she's bringing it right.
Yeah. I figured we would. How we side to side?
Oh, you got a lot more room than I thought. Perfect.
Good? Yeah. We can move the roller a touch. It'll roll over. It'll roll the roller back.
Huh?
Better?
Big zombie was on over there.
I wonder if I can even log it.
Good.
So that's what the blower looks like. Here you go. You happy now?
Yeah, I am.
Hey, you don't have this funky.
Then I got to look at it.
You know,
It's huge.
The fuel lines are crazy how they can
wrap around the back.
cross over in the back. Well, look.
Yeah, they come
It
up.
goes into a T.
right there. I just don't think it works. I'm curious.
we're doing our guesses?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna say we have to roll with Fran. I'm gonna say 668. Oh, you. What? Is that what you were gonna do? Exactly what I was gonna say. 668.
I'm gonna say 683.
683.
683 and 665 short.
Okay.
672.
672.
685, 700.
685.
Tyler?
I forgot everybody else's guess.
Torque.
637 short.
Oh, wow, it's really
That boost is super weird. It like, you can tell it limits it the whole time.
So how much boost is it actually?
I don't know, I actually, because it won't let me log the high res map sensor, which is the one that reads the actual boost. I mean, it shows 126 kPa, but in reality that's wrong because that's only 26 kPa, which is 3.7 pounds of boost, so that's wrong, but
yeah.
It's weird, it's fucking pulling 8% fuel out of the fuel trims from the factory. I think it'll make more if I rev it a little higher. 6,400?
Good Lord, it's loud.
668.
668. Oh, right on the money that time. Hell yeah. 668.
These things are going to pick up a bunch with tuning.
Yeah. So what you're saying is, Brandon, needs a little bit of brand tuning?
A bunch. It's rich as fuck. It's got no timing in it. Down low, it's got 8 degrees of timing.
8 degrees.
8.
Yeah, it ain't much.
Up high, it's got 17, 18, which for these things is not a lot. It's like low 11s, high 10s air fuel. They'll pick up 60 plus tuning.
So what do you have to do when you start it?
Clutch and the brake. Fuck, gets me every time.
Huh.
64 again.
Yeah.
There you go. I think we found our numbers.
That's about it.
Found our stock numbers.